back to another exciting episode of my channel. Can you? Sinothile, but you can call me Ungafaka. As you can see, I am in my kitchen. That means we are cooking. And you know how we do in this channel. We always try to find recipes that are very easy, very quick, and very delicious to cook because sibuya umsebenzi and we are very tired. So without wasting any of your time, let's get straight into the cooking. Okay, you guys, today we're going to be cooking chicken lasagna from No, and this is the package that you can get from Pick n Pay or Uspa, and all the other ingredients I'm going to show you just now, which is milk, as you can see in this video. You're also going to need some onions chopped and some grated cheddar cheese. I also sliced my fillets already to make things easier. You're also going to need some oil for frying, obviously. You're going to need this oven baked dish, some measuring cup, and scissors to open your packets. So let's get straight into the cooking. Right now, because again, pasta because I figured out oven grill. But at the meantime, I just wanted to give you guys some tips as I was cooking or making this dish. If I was the one who was making this recipe, I would definitely change into ufaki pasta simply because it makes you wait for a long time. I'm telling you, I had to wait for like 45 minutes before pasta was thoroughly cooked or was served. So if you really want to make a very quick dish, make sure that you boil the pasta just a little bit, maybe for like 5-10 minutes, and then you mix it with your fillets. And also you might as well need more milk because the time it thickens a lot, so you might as well add a little more milk just to make sure I stick and it looks really juicy, you know what I'm saying? But at the moment, let's see if I did everything correctly and it tastes good. Should I say good as it looks? Let's get straight into the tasting. Oh God, I'm so excited. The food. I just can't wait, you guys. I love food. I hope it's not hot. Wow. Guys. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. You know what?